Good morning, Penn State. This is student meteorologist Faith Eherts with your campus weather service forecast for February 25th, 2014. And the weather headlines for today are not looking very good, especially after our warm and sunny weekend. Since winter will return, it will be cold and breezy this week in classic February fashion, and there will be a few snow showers later in the middle of the week. Your live look over Mount Nittany, you can see that it is cloudy, and you can probably tell that it's also pretty cold out there. Although it's hard to see here, there are some flurries making their way through central Pennsylvania. Right now the temperature is about 25 degrees, but since there is wind coming out of the west at 14 miles an hour, the feels like temperature is significantly lower at 13 degrees. So make sure you're bundled up when you're headed out to class or work. Across the state, you can see many cities are in the same state we are, with highs in the low and mid-20s, 25 in State College and 23 in Scranton. Down here in Philadelphia, though, it is much warmer relatively, with temperatures in the 30s. But up in the northwest, temperatures are only in the teens, with 17 in Erie and 13 in Bradford. However, with those wind speeds I mentioned, it is much colder across the state. The 30 in Philadelphia feels like 19, and although here it is in the teens, much of northwestern Pennsylvania is in the single digits and even below zero in Bradford with -2. And if we look across the whole country, we can see that our cold temperatures from the northeast are dipping pretty far down south, with 47 in Memphis and 74 in Charleston, although that is much warmer. Try not to look at Florida in the 70s also. But up here in the northern central plains, we can see that Montana and much of the Dakotas are in the single digits, with only -9 in International Falls. If we look at our live radar and satellite, we can see that the flurries affecting State College are actually happening across much of the state, down into the southeast, and although there is snow down here, the northwest is mostly just seeing cloudy skies. If we have our eye on the sky, for Tuesday, we can see that after these snow showers move out, it will be mostly sunny, since there are no clouds in this part of the state, but there will be some snow showers moving in from the west that will move through the area for most of today and overnight. And then Wednesday morning, we'll see it is mostly cloudy again, with their clouds making their way out of the area as Wednesday night approaches. Thursday morning, there will be some more snow moving through the area coming in from the northwest. That will dissipate much over the central mountains and be almost gone by the time it reaches Philadelphia on Thursday night. Until Friday morning, through much of the day, there will not be any precipitation or clouds through the area, and it will be pretty sunny. For today, as you can see, we are almost at our high temperature, since today's high is 26 degrees, and since there will be gusts of up to 25 miles an hour, it will feel much colder at times. For tonight, the low will be about 14, and the wind will be significantly lower, so the wind chill will not be as extreme, and the slight chance of snow will still stick around. Here's your 7-day forecast for Penn State, and we see, as we said, that today for snow showers and tonight, with 26 and a low of 14 tonight. Although tomorrow there is less of a chance for snow, it will be mostly cloudy, and the low will be about 19, with a low Wednesday night of only 7. Thursday, the chance of snow returns with a high of 21, and Thursday night will be our coldest this week with a low of -1. Friday, although it will be sunny, it will be much chillier than the rest of the week had been, and that night will only be 11 degrees. Although Saturday, it will be significantly warmer with high in the low 30s. It will be mostly cloudy, and our next system will make its way into the area for early next week with highs in the high 20s and around 30. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Faith Eherts. Have a great day.